Hi everyone, it's Peps here. Welcome to another Houdini course. In this one, we will create a procedural bonsai tree. The full course is more than 4 hours, so I broke it down into separated pieces, and feel free to watch just the ones you are interested in. We will start from modeling the simple stuff like the vase and the dirt, and then we will move to the core of this tutorial, which is to create a custom solver to generate a procedural bonsai tree. Basically, we will do everything in Vex. Then we will mesh everything we generated inside Solver, and we will create a small HDA to generate some petal shape that we can use with KineFX to create some flower animation. And we will add some other details to the flower before saving as an USD sequence and scatter it on the branches of the tree. For the texturing part, we will create from scratch the material for the vase. Then for the other materials, I will show you some different techniques like how to scatter the little stones on the dirt, but we won't go over the same process of stacking noise on the other materials. That would be a waste of time. And we will render everything out with Karma using some basic lighting setup and some point distancing for the flowers.